Hey everybody, Tech Tim here, and I've got a fast one for you. And that's the Kagu Floor Mats from 3D Maxpider. Now these floor mats are a 3-layer design. The bottom layer is an anti-skid design, so it's going to lock into your carpet to help keep these mats from moving around. The center layer is a little bit of a cushion, and that's going to help reduce foot fatigue, and it'll even help reduce sound. Now your top layer, this is an embossed rubber layer, and it kind of looks like carbon fiber. But being rubber, that's going to make these weatherproof, and so it's going to lock in all that mud, muck, and dirt that you might drag into your truck. And they're easy to pull out. All you have to do is hose them down, brush them off, dry them off, and they're ready to go back in your truck. Now, as the name 3D implies, these mats are 3-dimensionally correct for whatever vehicle they're designed for. So they're going to drop right in and fit perfectly. Now I've got this 2020 Super Duty behind me, and you're going to see just how easy they go in. Now 3D makes these Kagu floor mats for many different applications. So hit that link down in the description box below and get a set on its way for your truck.